What's up guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video we're going to be continuing with the audio system. But in the previous one we did the door panel speakers and the tweeters. But in today's video we're going to do the subwoofer and the amplifier. So yeah, let's go ahead and install this subwoofer. Right, to remove the subwoofer, it's located right here in the middle. And to remove it, you have to take the side panel right there, and take this middle part right here and the other side panel right here. And there's 2 bolts in either one of the compartments, and then just pull this big thing out. It's pretty simple actually, so yeah, let's do that right now.
Talk about quiet with a big mouth. Listen for the doubt, then call it. Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every single date. If you got what I need, then oh, I'll take you on like a big deal. Legs you can unfeel, key ignition.
Right, so the middle compartment is now off, and as you guys can see, it's pretty simple. I'm going to remove this subwoofer and start with sound dampening everything right here, and just make it a lot better than it is right now. So yeah, but let's start with taking this off. Alright guys, so I brought the 10-inch subwoofer right here, and as you guys can see, it's not that flush, so I have to make like a custom wooden piece that fits right here and just raises it about 2 centimeters or so.
Where you look, where you touch, where you feel, yeah. Where you look, where you touch, where you feel, yeah. Yeah. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you?
Well, I tapped into this little hole right here and just pulled the cable through down here, as you guys can see, up here. And now I'm just going to run this cable down the side right here and in the back. So yeah, let's do that right now. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about... Every cable is now at its right place. I took the remote from this one right here and then just grounded the cable right there, and the power wire is here. So I just hide everything behind this one, and then just have everything up here. The amplifier, as you guys can see. Let's listen to everything right now.
Acting all okay today.
So that was everything for today. See you guys in the next one.
I'm a freak in the sheets.